Good day everyone, and today's topic is biopesticides, the nature's defense through biochemistry. So plants face constant threats from insects, fungi, and bacteria, but nature has its own defense system, the biopesticides. In simple terms, this is how plants and microbes fight pests without calling the chemical police. They produce their own pest control weapons like Bt toxin and neem compounds, and that basically tell insects, sorry, this buffet is closed, and think of it as a plant's own superhero squad minus the capes. One famous biopesticide is the Bt toxin, made by Bacillus thuringiensis. These crystal proteins punch holes in the guts of insect larvae, causing them to stop feeding and die. It's like giving the pest a very unwanted buffet experience, and luckily, humans and animals aren't on the menu. Plants fight back too. Using secondary metabolites, neem produces azadirachtin, which messes with insects' hormones, stopping them from eating or growing. You could say neem is the ultimate diet coach for insects. So, biopesticides work by targeting the pest biochemistry, disrupting their digestion, growth, or reproduction. Basically, they hit pest where it hurts, the biochemistry. And unlike chemical pesticides, they don't throw a party for all the bugs in the neighborhood. So, biopesticides are increasingly used in sustainable farming. They reduce chemical usage, protect beneficial insects, and keep soils healthy. Our nature's own clean team. And yes, they don't charge over time.
With that, biopesticides aren't just Bt or neem. Certain fungi, like Trichoderma species, produce enzymes and metabolites that attack harmful fungi, preventing plant diseases. And other microbes produce compounds that weaken an insect immune systems or block a pathogen growth. It's like having a microscopic army working 24/7 for crop protection.
And in real-world agriculture, biopesticides are often part of integrated pest management, combined with crop rotation, resistant varieties, and cultural practices. And these approaches reduce chemical pesticide use, maintains soil health, and keeps beneficial insects alive. And farmers using biopesticides are essentially letting nature take the lead in crop protection, saving time, money, and environment. So, biopesticides are substances derived from microorganisms, plants, or fungi that control pests. They contain molecules like toxins, enzymes, or secondary metabolites. In other words, tiny chemical ninjas doing all the hard work, while farmers get a good night's sleep. By understanding the biochemical principles behind biopesticides, humans can harness nature's defense system to protect crops safely and sustainably. It's like giving plants a superhero serum without the weird glowing effects. And again, these natural compounds allow targeted pest control, reducing the need for harmful chemical pesticides. And they help maintain soil health and protect beneficial insects that support the ecosystem. And farmers can achieve higher yields while keeping the environment safe. And overall, the biopesticides show that working with nature is often smarter than working against it. And thank you for watching our Group 4 Biopesticides Nature's Defense through Biochemistry.
Thank you.